This tutorial is showing how PerGeos can perform wormhole segmentation and analysis. I can share the recipes I'll be using if needed. This wormhole sample is a CT scan and thus contains some artifacts like misalignment and strong beam hardening. We will use dedicated modules to extract the wormhole and separate the main branch from the rest. The first recipe will pre-process the data so that the core is cropped and realigned and without any beam hardening. An additional masking step is used to get rid of the few boundary voxels. The wormhole is now ready for segmentation. We will use a classical workflow involving watershed and top hat. These have been integrated in a recipe dedicated to wormhole segmentation. Two markers corresponding to the outside and the wormhole are defined and expanded by the watershed. Finally, a black top hat is applied to catch the thin structures. Now we will extract the main branch of the wormhole by computing the Pore Network Model after a separation step. Once the Pore Network Model is computed, we apply a filter on the throat equivalent radius since the main branch is much thicker than the small branches. Using label to attribute, we can then obtain the main branch with the original shape. Further analysis is of course feasible, such as wormhole and main branch fractions.